Hi guys. A long time ago I did poppin' cooking. I got it again. I don't think this is the right. This is actually a poppin' cooking. I got another poppin' cooking once before, but I didn't post a video of it. I got like a sushi one this time. Last time I made so many cuts in the video because I had to go get things and I didn't have the water and the scissors ready. But this time I got them ready, so let's open it. I'm really excited because I love poppin' cooking. I don't even know how to say it. I think it's like poppin' cooking. I don't know because it said I had a panda one. I did a panda one, the panda sushi one as well. But I didn't. It was like sushi bits. It didn't have like the seaweed actually. Okay, so there's like a suction tube. Useful. I think we can use that for caviar. And then there's the spoon thing. And there's like a sushi thing dough, like the seaweed dough, and the container and stuff. I'm gonna open. I'm not gonna open all of them yet. Yeah, cause yeah. And last time I said that there was like some sort of scam because it didn't. It said it had a knife and stuff, but actually it was in the box and I never checked that. And also the plate stuff is on here and you're supposed to cut it out. I did not know that because that was my first time having poppin' cooking. But now I'm gonna do that because yeah. So that's basically my plate. So I'm gonna open my plate. Thank you. Okay. There. Okay, I got the plate thing out here. And then, oh, this one, I really want to cut it. I'm so sorry for the background noise. I really want to like cut it. But like last time I was able, it wasn't so, the border wasn't so big. It's fine. It's fine, you guys can talk. The border is bigger, so it's you can't cut it really. First, and there's like in the compartments there's like A, B, 1 and 2 and stuff. Oh. And then it says in 1 pour water in and then put in the blue packet or something. I put it like perfectly in there. Okay, this is Japanese, so I have no idea how to read it. But I know that like yeah, this is popping perfectly. Now I'm realizing what to do. Okay. This one doesn't have the labels on it because before it had like what it says. I wish I had like some sort of translator. Because now I don't know which one is which. Wait, I'm gonna try and figure this out. Okay, now I realize it's this blue big one. So I'm gonna, oh. Just pour it in, basically. I think this one is like rice. And then I'm gonna take this batch. It smells like bubble gum. It smells really good. And then basically I just mix it. I'm like a professional at this now. Oh my god. I think I might have to add a little bit more water because every time I do ones with rice, like it's way too dry and I think I just put way too much in there. So if I fail, I might just like end up putting flour or something in it. But I think this is fine. I think this is fine, yeah. I'm gonna eat some. Oh, it's just like the other one. At first when you like first taste it, it's really good. but then it's like not so good. But still, it's really good. Okay, I'm just eating everything now. Let's just stop. Number 2. Okay, I need a. I dropped it. In section number A, I suctioned the water in this suction thingy, and I put. Which packet is this? I put this packet in. Okay, I have no idea on most of these. Okay, I'm gonna use a bowl for suctioning it because, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna suction it and okay. Pour it in which one? Oh, okay. I have to pour it in. Okay, and then I also have to pour it in section B, which is, wait, which one is it? It's like, I'm so sorry for the background noise. Because I have a family, so. Okay, I think that's enough, because I feel like I'm just like pouring way too much. So I'll pour this one. Oh, I have to pour this in both of them. Okay. Okay, that's gonna be hard. Don't touch garbage. Sorry, my baby sister's touching garbage. With some cardboard egg thing. Okay, I can tell. Okay. I have barely any for the bigger part. I really hope this works, because I think I'm failing on this one. I really think so. But I might end up just like putting flour basically in it, even though that's not what you're supposed to do. I know that you're supposed to like let it sit. Okay, that one you're supposed to. I know that you're supposed to let that sit. So I'm gonna let it sit. I wanna eat some rice. Okay, I'm gonna eat some of the rice and then I'm gonna dip it in here. That's really good. Okay. Now I need to. What is it? I need to put the pink packet. Okay, that was the easiest one. In like the salmon thing. Okay. So I got the pink pocket and now I'm gonna put it in the salmon. I can tell that's salmon because like the texture definitely shows that it's like salmon. Okay, I definitely have to add a little bit more water. Yep, that's perfect. Okay. And I just basically mix again and then I let it sit. I can tell that the bigger portions, you guys can talk. You guys can talk, you know. I can tell the bigger portion is that like you have to, like the fish part, like the salmon. Okay, that's really good. The salmon and fish thing. Okay, I don't know what the other one is. Like trout or something. Like I can tell you have to make it sit because you can chop it and then put it on top of the rice. Number 4. Oh, yay! Okay, my favorite part. Number 4 is the sushi. I mean, not sushi. I'm making sushi. The soup. That does not taste good. Okay, I'm gonna use one of the wrappers for it. So you just. Oh wait, you have to stretch it. Oh wow, that stretches a bit. I wonder if it's gone. I don't want to eat it. Like it tastes really bad. It smells bad and it tastes bad. But I wonder if it's gonna taste good with the rice and the fish eggs. I'm just really excited to make the fish eggs. Okay, I'm gonna only use the seaweed for one, which is good. So I think I have to like stretch it a bit more to make it wider. Okay. Ta-da. Yay. Okay. The sushi's ready. Oh, I keep on saying sushi. The seaweed's ready. I'll put it here so I don't mix it up in the garbage. Now I need this one and this one. Okay. And I'll put it in A and B. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Okay, so I have to put this part in number A, which I'm really, oh my god, I'm so excited for this because I'm making the caviar right now. And then in B, I'm adding the other orange packet. And then for in B, I don't want to put it in like the trout thingy because the compartments are really close to each other, but the borders are big. Okay, now I need the suction thingy, and then I need to put water in. This seems really cool. I just added such little in like. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. And then now I just need to mix it. I'm gonna mix the blue one and I'm gonna mix A and B. I don't know why I could have used. That's sour. It's not so sour, but like, yeah. Okay, now caviar thingy. I'm so excited. Caviar does not taste good, but like, wait, I'm gonna have a little bit. I'm eating basically everything. Okay, so I have it in the tube, and then I just Okay, I'm making them too big. I think you're supposed to. No, mine's like a noodle now. Oh. I have to pay like so close attention to this. This is very bad. Like, it's fun doing this, but I keep on like making it not the right shape. Yeah. At the end, it's hard. At the end, you get like really startled because it doesn't make the perfect shape. Yum, yum. I'm gonna mix it a little bit more. Okay, I do not like that. So that's really sweet. Okay, then I drop it again. Okay, my counter's. I keep on spilling things, so I'm gonna have to wipe this after. Okay, that's a lot. I'm gonna leave the rest because it's kind of hard to like do. And that's like step number 5. So basically, you just wrap it. Okay, so I'm done everything now. Okay, I wanna have the rice. really good. Okay. So now, okay, I'm gonna quickly wash my hands because this part you have to use your hands. So. Okay, so okay, so I made the thingy. I made the I didn't make it. I washed my hands, and then now I'm gonna make the sushi. So first, I have to grab the rice. Feels so wrong. Okay, first I have to grab the. It feels so nice, but like at the same time, it feels so wrong. It's so sticky. Like, but I love this. It's really sticky, but I love it. So, and then I have to put it on one of the plates. Oh, okay. I put it on one of the plates. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Okay. That's really good. Okay. Now, with the spoon, I have to lift up the salmon and the whatever you call it. The egg. Ah. No. Okay, this came out really wrong. Like, that is so wrong. I added like way too much water. It's so liquidy. It is like it. I just broke it. I mean, I guess it's fine to break it. Okay, that tastes gross. And then I have to lift up the egg. The egg, I knew it. The egg is like so wrong. Okay, I'm gonna have to make it my way because this is so liquidy. This is like so wrong. I'm doing this so wrong. Oh my god. That is so good. Like the caviar. It's like popping. It's like boba. I think that is boba. It's like popping boba. Cause like it just pops in your mouth as soon as you take it. Anyway, I'm gonna take some of the rice and then I'm gonna roll it into a ball. Okay, so it's way too little. Okay, that's good. And then I'm gonna roll up the sushi. Ugh, why do I keep on saying? I'm gonna roll up the seaweed and I put the, oh my god. And then I just basically shove the, no, my seaweed broke. Shove the rice in it, and then I take the caviar, which I love. It's so good. And I put it on top. I wonder if it's gonna taste really good altogether. I feel like a chef. This is so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put this on one of the plate. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the purple one because that's what they did. And then I need some more rice, and then it's so sticky, and I don't like it. Oh. Rice is right there. And then I'm gonna add more and put the thingy. That's so delicate. Okay, I'm basically just gonna do that. It's perfect. Okay, I made this so wrong. I made this so wrong. It rolled over. I'm gonna smash it down. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Why is this so hard for me? Okay. And then I'm gonna take another part of the rice and I'm gonna put this liquid jelly yellow thingy on. I just dropped so much of it on the counter. It's so bad. It looks so bad. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. I'm so bad. So good. That is okay. Come for part 2. I mean part 3, I think. I don't know. What the result? Yeah!